10 phrases for asking information. Can you tell me where the market is? Could you tell me where the market is? I'd like to know where the market is. I was wondering where the market is. Could anyone tell me where the market is? I'm calling to find out where the market is. Do you know where the market is? Do you have any idea where the market is? Would you happen to know where the market is? I don't suppose you would know where the market is. Check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.